Hi again. In the rest of our discussion, I want to answer this question: how to develop and use a strategy. What is going to happen after learning these 10 strategies? Okay, you want to choose, from these 10 strategies for yourself how to use them. All right, so the first thing you should do, you should choose your trading sessions. Okay, if you want to trade in Oceania time, the candles, the market makers, the banks, and the volume is different from Asian market. It is different from Europe market. It is different from New York market or the United States of America. Time zone, like the market of Brazil, market of United States, market of uh, Toronto. They are different. Okay, so uh, you should choose your strategy, and you should choose your time of trading. Okay, then after that, you should choose the trading strategies. For example, X strategy. I will explain top 10 ones, okay? Don't worry. After that, you should backtest it. Backtest means when you go and just see the history of market. For example, imagine I want to, choose a breakout strategy, okay? And this is the history of market. Okay, and I want to see even the breakout works or not. Okay, I should go to the history of market and just analyze all history as much as possible. I know you cannot just study the history of market from the beginning, but you can do it at least for some weeks, maybe for a month or something like this. What you should do, okay, you want to backtest the strategy of, for example, breakout. Okay, you should say you can come and you can see that we had trend line like this, okay, and the breakout happened. What happened after that? Okay, it was successful, tick. But after that, you should come here, for example, say, okay, this was my trend and we had a breakout here. Then what happened after that? It was successful, tick. Okay, something like this. And you might find and put the information in the Excel file for yourself. That in the Excel you can enter, for example, the date and the time of uh, that trade and whether it was successful or not. It had a great strategy of breakout or it didn't have. It was false breakout or fake breakout or it was successful one. Then you should, backtesting is a great strategy that the great way or method that you uh, just complete your faith and you get faithful toward what you are going to do for the market. The next thing you should do is the demo account. All brokers in the world, you can access the demo account too, plus real, accounts. When you completed the back testing, you say, okay, I just want to test this. Okay, but when I want to test this, I don't want to use the real money. You again go to the market and you just see something like this is happening. And uh, for example, this is the market and this is the trend line. You will see this happened. Say, okay, according to my backtest strategy, this is called breakout. Okay, after the breakout, I just want to go for buy. You open buy position, but in your demo account, not real account. And since it's not a real money, you have, better feeling. You don't get nervous, you don't get stressed out or something. Then you see, okay, it worked, and the price moved. It was, bullish, and it worked. So you can do it for at least 1 month. Okay, 1 month. So difficult to write using the mouse. 1 month. Okay, and after that, after just testing this strategy, you can uh, go to choose it in the real market, but with the lowest amount of your capital. Okay, the lowest amount of capital in MetaTrader is 100. Okay, well, let me just try it again. Just a moment. It's difficult. So I told you about the lowest amount of your capital. The lowest amount of every person's capital is 100. This is the lowest leverage you can use in financial market. So you can again test this strategy, the breakout strategy, with, for example, uh, this amount of risk. It is the lowest amount. Say, okay, the breakout happened, for example. I go for buy and I am profitable for, I don't know, $2, $3, $5, whatever. Okay, you just want to test this strategy. And uh, at least you need to do it for a month again. So 1 month demo account, 1 month real account, and after two month, you can use it in real account based on your capital. Don't forget, I have told my students before, in every trade you have, 1 to 2% of your capital should be involved. And I have explained everything, how to calculate it, in Forex trading course. I mean, Forex price action trading course, okay? And I have talked about risk management there, and you can go and just find it. Or if you are professional, I don't know, you can find it everywhere. I don't want to advertise my course for you. Anyway, 1 to 2% of your capital. It means, for example, if you have $1,000, okay, $1,000, so you can just risk for $20 only. Okay, so this is the amount of risk you can take. But sometimes, professional people would like to risk more, especially those who have worked in the market for a long time and who are more experienced. And when they see, for example, I don't know, minus 40, they see that they see and they are sure that this wouldn't go more, and uh, they will see, for example, plus 40 soon. So in this case, for those professional, it is probable that they risk more. But when you are amateur and at the beginning of this job, 1 to 2%, more than 1 to 2% is not recommended at all. So I want to just conclude my discussion and let you know and tell you very fast again what you should do when you are going to just learn the strategies in this course. First, you should go and choose your time of trading, which time you want to trade and which session. Then you should choose the trading strategy. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 10 strategies, whatever. After that, you need to backtest each Each item should be backtested. Backtesting is the study of history of market. After that, you should test that in demo account and for at least 1 month, and then real account with the lowest amount of your capital for 1 month. And after that, you can use it in the real market and on your real account. But don't forget 1 to 2% risk is not allowed. More than this amount is not allowed. That's it. Thank you for your attention. And in the next videos, I'm going to introduce you the 10 strategies, and in 2 videos later, I'm going to start the first one. Have a great time.